Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon. Wow, me, I'm enjoying the weather today. I'm coming back here. I want to take a video. Somebody was asking me to come and repeat the video which I took around here. Uh, he wanted to see the keys, which people they come and lock themselves in one padlock, saying that they are not gonna separate themselves, they are not gonna divorce. It's what you believe. So I've just got like 20 minutes. I said let me come and showcase again for him to see that I've honored her message. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this video. Please follow me. See, this is what I was saying. You see the padlock. See the padlock people, they come, they make themselves I can't say a contract, they make themselves covenant that they are not gonna separate themselves. See, wow. So this is the one. I think he will see it and he will watch my video and he will see that I've honored his wish. Yeah, maybe you want to make a covenant as well. Yeah, so this is the area in town and where people they come and have a rest. It's a very big garden. That day I just took just like half of it, and today I think I'm gonna do half of it as well, and then the days to come I'll come and continue to take the rest. But this is the this is the garden, and people they come here and have a rest. You can see. See, got the flowers. Let's start from here. See, that's a very big it's not like a ground where people they learn how to play or to but I don't know what is this one for. People in this side, you come here, people are learning to play tennis. These things can happen to anybody. Yeah? You can come here and learn how to play tennis. That's how like these people they are. They've got places where you can learn to be a football player, you can learn to be a tennis player, but you just need to come and give it all every day. Give it all. Then when you go and do the test in big clubs, they can take you. Or if it's like individual, like tennis, you need to be an individual person. People they will see your ability, what to do. Then they can take you. They can support you. Get a destiny helpers. See, people are playing, especially like when the schools are closed. You can bring children doing exercise, but not giving children videos and your TV and whatever it is to play the whole day. We stay with our children to stay a lot of time on on screens. Their advising is not very good, so we need to try our best to help our young ones not to stay a lot of time, to spend a lot of time on the screen. But it depends how you choose and how you hear this. Today the sun is very good and there's so many young children, so I would try to avoid where there's children. I won't be able to go. This is how you can see the town from a distance. See, those are the shops from a distance. These are the benches. You can just come here and sit down and relax and see how things are good and better. There are so many children because of the sun. This is a man-made pond. People, they just come here, you sit, you see like a nature, so you enjoy yourself. Sorry, my friend who asked me to come and do this video, it took me such a long time to come and complete your request, because I've been very busy as well. You see, that's the pond. I've been very busy, but today I said I have to go and try to do it, so at least I make my fan happy. Yeah, so let me go and showcase another place where they are putting the padlock, so at least we can have two places. That one is the middle of the garden, and another one, it will be on the bridge. I heard in France, in Paris, they've got a place like that as well. People, they do. Oh, you see here, that's where they are showing people who they come and learn to play tennis. And that is a nice garden, green, pink and red. Okay, so let us see that beautiful garden over there. See, that's on top of the bridge, and underneath there is a river where there's so many birds. I think I showed you last time when we came here. I showed you. Okay, I hope my people, you're having fun. See, this is what is happening here. The padlock. We love each other through the padlock. See them? I hope you are seeing them. Can you see them? Most on the left hand side of the bridge, that's where they've put a lot of rocks. See this? My people, I think I have to finish from here. I just want to say thank you so much for keep watching my videos. And for those who they haven't subscribed, please subscribe and tell somebody to tell someone that I need you to subscribe just to support me. That's only what I'm asking. So for the meantime, I'm gonna say bye. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Okay, you have a good day, and I'm saying bye. My people, can you see the bees? They are very busy here. Very busy. You see them? I don't think if you can. But this is a nice garden. They are very busy in these purple flowers. They are very busy. Yeah, so this is a beautiful place. As people, they believe on that covenant that when they put padlock that they love one another and they are not going to depart from one another. It's good to believe in something. It's good to believe in something. And I'm not saying we are going to believe on their beliefs, but it's good to believe in something. Yeah, I can see people are coming to have a picnic with friends. It's a beautiful time to have picnic. I'm seeing on that side there, my sister, she's getting ready for picnic. That one is a very beautiful garden. Let me take beside it. Look at this. Is it nice? Wow. That's too beautiful. The lady flowers, green, a bit of white.